Hey guys, DanFan205 here, and welcome to CVEM. So as you can see, this is not my normal recording area. I'm actually up at my lake house, so thought I'd make the unboxing for this anyway. This is apparently a Meffert's Megaminx. I think it's the new and improved version. We will see. So, box. It says Meffert's Challenge on it. But you can't see that. Alright, let's go ahead and take this out here. Here it is. Wow. This is actually really stiff. So out of the box, it is not that good. I don't like the color scheme at all. All of my favorite colors are around yellow. That irritates me. I like the more vibrant colors and stuff to be around white, but in this case, I don't like the color scheme. I'll probably end up changing this, lubricating it and stuff. Just take out a piece real quick, if I can do that. Most interesting Megaminx piece I've ever seen in my life. Yeah. It's really hard to get back in. There we go. So, first impressions, I don't really like it. It locks up a lot. I haven't lubed it yet though, so hopefully that'll help it. Yeah, I don't care for this too much right now. But we'll see as time progresses.